Hello everyone, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? I hope all of you doing well and fine, guys. So I'm Lohit Jindal, founder and director at Cortex Classes, and I'm back with the next video of Pre-RMO 2019 solutions. So guys, in this series of Pre-RMO IUQM previous year questions, we are solving previous year IUQM questions and Pre-RMO questions, right, one by one. So far we started with Pre-RMO 2017 and we have completed Pre-RMO 2017 and 18 completely, and currently we are going through 2019, right? So far, guys, we have done first 18 questions. You can see those videos as well that we have posted, right? And in today's video, guys, we are going to solve the 19th question, right? It's based on geometry, okay? Quite an easy one. You will see कि बहुत ज़्यादा difficult question नहीं है if you do look at it carefully, right? So easy 3 marks questions, easy 3 marks in exam to score, right? So guys, before beginning, just one request. Please try to solve the question alongside. बिकॉज अगर आप गाइज साथ साथ में सॉल्व करोगे ना, थोड़ा पॉज करके सोचो पहले थोड़ा खुद से कि क्या कर सकते हैं, देन यू लर्न अ लॉट, राइट? It will help you a lot in preparing for IUQM. Then it will help. Don't you just please ये मत करना कि आप simply बस videos watch करते जा रहे हो. If you think that will help in pre-RMO या IUQM, sorry, right? It will not be the case, guys. अगर आप सिर्फ वीडियो देखोगे ना, आपको लगेगा कि आ रही हैं चीजें, बट इन रियलिटी वो फिर उतना ज्यादा बेनिफिट नहीं हो पाता है, राइट? सो जस्ट नो कि आपको भी उसके अंदर एफर्ट उतना इक्वली डालना पड़ेगा, प्लीज, ओके? जस्ट वन रिक्वेस्ट, ओके? Other than that, guys, I would one more thing. You can please ask your friends to who are preparing for Maths Olympiad, if they might also find these videos useful. So if you feel these videos are benefiting you, please recommend these videos to them as well. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys. Because see, guys, actually we are trying to keep these videos very very, very no nonsense है ना, कोई फालतू की चीजें बातें नहीं करेंगे हम इसमें. We are to the point. We are just solving the question and understanding कि कैसे इनको solve करना चाहिए, right? That is our like objective in these videos. Okay, so you should be not be wasting any more time. मतलब आपका time waste ना हो, इस तरह से हमने try किया videos को record करने का. All right. So guys, without taking any more of your time, let's start with the question. Okay, let me get to the corresponding slide. Okay, so here it is. All right, we'll draw the diagram alongside also. So guys, क्या बोला हुआ है? Let AB be a diameter of a circle. Okay, बना लेते हैं guys पहले. Okay, let's draw a circle. Okay, so we are being said कि AB guys एक diameter है, right? This AB is a diameter. Let's see. Okay, साथ साथ में समझ के draw करते हैं because this is how we'll need to draw in the exam as well. Okay, okay guys, so ये बता दिया AB is a diameter and CB a point on the segment AB such that AC is to CB is 6:7. So guys, let's say this is the center, तो C थोड़ा सा इस तरफ को होगा, right? C must be somewhere around here, right? So we know AC is to CB, that is important, that is given to be 6:7. And we know guys, if the radiuses are the total, AB length is 2r, right? Also we can say what is the length of AB? Let's say the in the terms of radius, that is 2r. Okay, ये हमें पता है अभी तक. Now let's read it next. So let D be a point on the circle such that DC is perpendicular to AB. Okay, DC perpendicular to AB बनाना है हमें. So let's go upwards. So this is point D, right? DC is perpendicular. This angle is 90 here. Okay. Now let DE be the diameter through D. Okay. Again, let us draw a diameter. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Okay, here it is. So guys, DE हमने diameter बना दिया. Let's say the center is O. Let's name it as well, है ना? Let's name it as O. Okay. So E point आ गया, diameter है O के through pass कर रहा है. Okay, further let DE be the diameter through D हमने बना दिया है. Now if XYZ square in square brackets denote the area of the triangle XYZ. Okay, so it is just a notation that we already know. All right, no issues. So find the ratio of ABD is to CDE. Okay, CDE, let's join it as well. Okay, one is this triangle CDE. We have to compare it with guys ABD. Okay. All right. So guys, we have this triangle. ABD को हमें CDE से कंपेयर करना है, राइट? वी हैव टू गेट द रेशियो ऑफ द एरियाज. So guys, interestingly, can we find the length of AC? First of all, guys, AC is to CB is 6:7, right? So can I find AC? What is AC then? It can be calculated with the ratio proportion thing, 6 upon 6 plus 7 of AB. Since the ratios are 6:7, so how do you find AC? AC is 6, 6 is to 7 is AC is to CB, right? तो AC पूरे AB का क्या रेशियो होगा? 6 upon 13, right? 6 upon the sum of the ratios. So how much will this give us? Let's see. 6 by 13 into 2R. So guys, that would give us 12R by 13, right? 12 by 13R. Now guys, this if OC हमें ये पता लग गया है AC कितना है. Since guys हमें देखो CDE triangle जो है, in the triangle CDE, we know the diameter DE, okay, in terms of R, but we need to know the another distance. या तो हमें CD पता लग जाए या OC पता लग जाए, तो we can make use of those things, right? So what I can see here is guys, CO की value हम निकाल सकते हैं. What is the length of CO? Since I know guys, OA कितना है? Okay, I will write here. It is equal to AO minus AC, right? How much is CO? I can find it by AO minus AC. But how much is AO? That is radius. And how much is AC? We have found 12R by 13. Right? So guys, this will give you, you can see, this will give you that CO is equal to R by 13. Right guys? हमें ये मालूम पड़ गया, वो important है यहाँ पे. So we got the length of CO as R by 13. Right? I hope यहाँ तक clear है. Now guys, understand one thing. CE is the DE is the diameter, right? DE is the diameter. So OD equal to OE है, right? OD is equal to OE. Lengths are equal. So guys, can I say that the area of triangle CDE जो है, because हमें क्या पता है guys? Then that means CO is the median of this triangle, right? In this triangle CDE, CO is the median, and we know the median divides the triangle into two equal areas, right? Area wise equal होते हैं. So since we need to find the area of triangle CDE, can we say that it is twice of angle, twice of the area of COD, right? It is twice of the area of COD, right? Because COD is equal to COE because of the median property, right? दोनों areas equal होंगे. So total triangle का area क्या हो जाएगा? Twice of COD, right? I hope this thing is clear. So now let's write down the ratio guys. We need to find ABD. We were supposed to find ABD upon area of triangle CDE. That is our aim to find here, right? So let us put the value. This is ABD again upon twice of area of COD, right? Now, though both of these triangles, we can write the areas. Guys, ABD को कैसे लिखें? Half. See, that can be written as like this. Half. What is the base in ABD? Let us in triangle ABD. Guys, if we take the base as AB into the height is CD, right? Similarly, upon twice तो पहले से लिखा हुआ है into half of. Now what is the area of triangle COD? Half into, in this triangle COD we can take it as guys OD equal to, okay, OC into CD, right? Simple. We'll take it as OC into CD. Base is OC and height is CD, right? तो guys क्या observe करेंगे हम यहाँ पे? CD and CD gets cancelled. This half term also gets cancelled, right? जो हाफ हाफ था वो भी कैंसिल हो गया. सो व्हाट आर वी लेफ्ट विद? AB upon twice of OC, right? So guys, let's put in the values now in terms of R. We'll see AB कितना है guys? That is 2R. And what is 2 times OC, right? It was 2 times OC, राइट. सो व्हाट इज 2 टाइम्स OC की वैल्यू कितनी है गाइस, हमने फाइंड कर रखी है R/13. सो गाइस यू विल सी 2 कैंसिल हो रहा है, R भी कैंसिल हो गया एंड सिंपली वो 13 ऊपर चला जाएगा रेशियो वाइज. सो द फाइनल आंसर दैट यू आर गेटिंग इज 13. सिंपल इनफ क्वेश्चन, राइट. आप देख सकते हो गाइस कितना सिंपल क्वेश्चन था. You could have easily scored such kind of a question in exam, right? Geometry wise, it is not using any difficult geometry or anything. Just half base into height, and then median property use हो रही है और ratio proportion use हो रहा है. Nothing much, right? Nothing like जो आपने 10th तक के normal school में भी नहीं पढ़ा होता, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. All everything that you have learned till class 10th normally in the school, in like in terms of geometry की बात कर रहा हूँ. So आप तो उसी knowledge से आराम से solve कर सकते हो, right? So it is not any difficult theorem कोई use हो रहा हो, ऐसा भी नहीं है, right? So you could have solved such kind of questions if such kind of thing comes in exam, right? So guys, the final answer to this question is 13 that you should mark in such case, right? So guys, that's it from my end. I hope आप सबको ये question समझ में आया and you guys enjoyed learning in this question. Okay, so keep practicing guys. All the best. We'll see you in the next video with we'll be back in the next video with the 20th question. Okay, till then keep practicing and all the best for the exams guys. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye, take care.